Hello and welcome everyone to the guided instructions for the Cyanotype Picture. My name is Diane and I'm a library assistant with Information Services at the Belleville Public Library. In your craft kit you will find the instructions for making the picture as well as the cyanotype paper. At home you will need to provide a plastic covering and cuttings from your garden or from a nature walk. To start your project, arrange your cuttings on the paper. Once you're happy with the arrangement, cover it with the plastic wrap to secure it. Then you will want to place your picture in a sunny location, either in a windowsill or somewhere outside. I experimented with different time frames and 1 hour seems to work best. After the 1 hour time frame, you're going to rinse the paper under cold water. After rinsing your paper, you will want to hang it to dry. You can lay it on a paper towel, but you may end up with watermarks on it, so I recommend hanging it. As your picture dries, the blue background will deepen in color, and then you have a lovely picture to frame.